What is happening, everyone? Luke McGuire here, and for the first time in over 4 years, I am so excited to invite you to be a part of the TOKMATE launch. Now, before I go over the $30,000 in no minimum prizes, before I get you set up with your review access, and before I go through some of the insane things we are doing on this launch, I want to tell you exactly what TOKMATE is and how it's going to be so beneficial in opening the floodgates of traffic to your audiences. TOKMATE is the first and only web software to allow you to find viral content, allow you to edit it, post it, schedule it, and essentially go viral again on any page that you create. Think about this like the ultimate traffic source on one of the fastest growing social networks in the world, completely automated. The best part about TOKMATE is that your audience can go viral today by setting up a brand new TikTok account in any specific niche they choose and have TOKMATE do the rest. TOKMATE not only allows your audience to go viral, but also monetize that traffic instantly without ever having to be on camera and without ever having to have done any form of TikTok marketing before. Now, rather than me tell you about this product, we have review access ready right now.